The little brother found a kitchen knife when he put water on the roadside. It looks at least 100 years old. He was convinced that the knife was not an ordinary kitchen knife. He decided to renovate it to bring it back to its former glory. After removing the surface rust, then he polished the two joints with a sander. He prepares to remove the rust from the knife using electrolysis. Connected the wires and put them in the glass jar. Add the right amount of water to the glass jar. The knife will then be electrolyzed in the jar for 16 hours. At the end of that time, the clear water has changed color. This means that electrolysis is very effective in removing rust. After taking it out, clean off the surface rust with a wire brush. After wire brush cleaning, rust is basically gone. Only some embroidery ash left. Next, hold the knife in place. Then cut off part of the excess handle of the knife. Then polish the whole body of the knife around the edges. After coming out, you can see that the corners are smooth and shiny. Next, use a belt sander to remove the pits on both sides of the knife. After horizontal grinding, then vertical grinding. After the knife comes out, the effect is almost as good as the new one. Of course, this is still far from the requirements. Then we have to polish it again and again by hand to ensure that there is no defect in the blade. This is the effect of fine grinding. Next, it is fixed on a 30-degree tilt bracket so that the knife swing dry at the same time. The blade will be sharpened out after sandpaper sharpening. Then use a grinding stone to further sharpen the blade. This will make the blade of the knife as sharp as ever. Next, the sharpened knife will be acid washed. After 5 minutes, take it out. Put it in water and clean it with the help of a wire ball. This way the oxidized layer on the knife body will be thoroughly scrubbed away. Then get a fresh cup of water. Add instant coffee to it. Stir well and soak the knife in the water for a day. When the knife comes out, it will be nicely colored. Wipe the surface clean, then coat it with a layer of cooking oil. Finally put the handle on. A kitchen knife is successfully renovated.